What a wonderful summer! The corn is ready!
Breakfast is ready! Hurry up, everyone! Buttered grilled corn. But how can we grill it quickly and preserve it for a long time?
Well, Whisker, a bumper crop. A true bumper crop. Thank you, Mr. Oates. It's so much, I just worry. The price of fresh corn is too low this year.
And in this weather, if we leave it out sit for just a few days, it will spoil.
Dad, the forecast says there's a severe heat wave coming.
We need a solution, not just selling it fresh.
Temperatures are expected to reach record highs in the next 48 hours.
Tomorrow, we have to deal with this pile no matter what. Here is the golden buttercorn you ordered.
Fresh off the Agri Morph. Enjoy!
It smells absolutely wonderful up here.
Here you are, son, fresh off the grill. Don't miss the magical golden corn butter grilled corn. Piping hot, wonderfully fragrant.
The raspberry pies are going fast.
We've nearly sold out, Purry. The town loves your cooking.
It's even better than traditional grilled corn. Buttered grilled corn. But how can we grill it quickly and preserve it for a long time?
Lily, I'm analyzing beta-carotene. Is something urgent?
Dr. Agri, we have a mountain of corn, and it's too hot. We want to make canned, buttered, grilled corn to sell at the fair.
Buttered grilled corn, Zea maize and saturated fats. Intriguing.
I have just the thing, the Agri Morph, version 2.5. It can use bioplasma to cook and package.
Prepare the barn. I'll send the device right away. You'll just need butter, seasoning, and lots of corn. Bengal Cat Tom, clear the barn. Ragdoll Cat Mom Purry, prepare the butter. Sphinx Cat Lily, design the labels.
Splendid work, Tom. Seems my communicator is finally operational.
Now, activate the bio-ring, Tom.
Remember your safety glasses.
Perfect. Perfect.
When knowledge and nature unite, wonders will be born from the very hands of labor.
Le pluriel des noms. Les enfants lisent.
Oui, c'est ça. Très bien. Continuez.
The science lab is just around the corner, Dad. I've already optimized the delivery route on my tablet.
These will change everything down at the market.
I wonder if it has recipes in different languages.
Check out the processing speed on this model.
Wow, look at that! It sparkles when I touch it. This is the best fair ever! Hello. Bonjour. Hola. Xin chào.
When knowledge is shared, every season is a harvest.
We can't boil all of it. And the fair isn't until the weekend.
Ice cream, cakes, ready-to-eat food. People like hot, convenient snacks.
Initiating molecular restructuring.